Hello guys, welcome back. We're looking at gold. If there's any trade that is possible right now, let's see how things go. I will tell you the plan in a short while. Please stay in. Yes, so we are live. Let's go. So, before we start, what do you think gold is going to do? These are the past trades, okay, forget it. Okay, so just stick with this part. What do we see? Charge. Give me a minute, guys. Yes. Yeah. We are back. So, what are we looking at for gold? Let me go into the 4-hour time frame. Okay. Right. Yeah. On the 4-hour time frame. What do we see? We see a trend line being followed. Resistance to support, support to resistance, resistance to support, support to resistance, right? So this in retailer terms is called the falling wedge, right? Because this happens after an uptrend. So one uptrend and then you have this. So this is basically a falling wedge. In the breakout layer, many retailers will go and buy, right? And that will be a liquidity grab and probably gold will fall. But now the reason that gold is pumping so much is Trump. We all know how crazy Trump has been in the last few days, right? So he's imposing tariffs, then giving free trades, then pulling it back, and for 90 days now, from July or something, it will be implemented again. So it all depends on Trump's mood and what happens. So whenever there's uncertainty, gold goes up, right? So this was in the initial phase when the tariffs were implemented, and this was when the tariffs were paused. And now with all the fights again, look at this. So this is happening, and but the technicals are being followed very well. Okay, so we see that this top line has been tapped for the third time. So all the retailers would have marked this trend line, right? So everybody would plan to buy at this point, right? Buy here and sell here, right? If everybody plans this, would that happen? Would that happen? No, right? So there should be some sort of trap that occurs, such that the retailers get trapped and we could see a move favorably to our side, right? So if we were to see where all the liquidity has been grabbed, okay, on the larger time frame. So first it has been grabbed out here, right? Liquidity has been grabbed, up move, right? Then again this week we have the liquidity grab and then up move. So liquidities have been grabbed, and if we draw the Fibonacci from here to here, it has also tapped into the 382 to 35, which is our ideal reversal zone, right? So our plan will be bullish, right? Let me make it clear, we are bullish for now, and my trades, they'll not be for more than 150 200 pips. So there's not an actual need for us to be afraid that we're going against the trend or something of that sort. Okay, so with that being said, are we ready to see what our plan could potentially be? Let's dive into the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this opened with a gap down, right? And this was a previous retracement. The liquidity has been clearly grabbed. Okay, now there are two things that could potentially happen. Okay, first of all, let me draw the trend line from here to here. Okay, now there are two things that could potentially happen. There are two liquidities that are to be grabbed. So one was this, which has already been grabbed here, and the next one is this. This is also the 4 hour liquidity, right? If you go to the 4 hour time frame, look at this. This is the and if we draw the FIBO, this is at a proper golden zone. This comes at a proper golden zone. Look at this, zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6, right? So this is a second liquidity which is yet to be grabbed, right? So with that said, now two things can happen, as I said earlier. One is that this big M can be formed, right? Trend line can be broken, and then we could see a short covering to the upside. If not until here, at least until here where this trend line is coming to, right? If not, right, I will tell you the second plan now. Just head into the 15-minute time frame. Okay, we have here an M pattern. Now this, if it retests and does halting, we will look to target until this zone for the first target and this zone for the second target, right? So these are the two plans. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have a very big M that is forming here. So a break of this, a liquidity grab below this level. Once again, a trend line break, retest, and up move. If not, this M pattern, it just goes like this. So these are the two plans for now. I would ideally want a deeper pullback, you know, okay, a deeper pullback where it would be beneficial for us to have a very big trade. So a deeper pullback would be in like this. This is also a possibility. In this case, we enter here with a stop loss of this and a target of this. Just look at the risk reward that we are planning here, right? So these are the three trades that I am looking for. If it does not reverse from here, I will look for a reversal from here. If it does not from here as well, my bad. If it does not from here as well, then this will be the final level for reversal. Are we clear? Yes. So guys, that is the plan for now. Let us wait. Okay, the 15-minute candle has finally closed. So if this happens, we grab until this, right? The plan is this, as simple as that. Okay, with this, I will close the stream. Okay, the plan is set. We have three plans. One, it reverses from here. If not, it reverses from this level. If not, from this level. Okay, so the plan is bullish. We are just looking for a liquidity grab, good liquidity grab before we plan the bullish trade. Right? Today's Monday. There is no news for the next 2 days, I believe. 27th, our durable goods is waste. Okay. Then yeah, next 3 days there's no news. No, 28th May, which is Wednesday night, we have FOMC. So next 2 days we're good to go. We have no news, so gold will remain with a proper price action.